Namaste and very good evening, Guitar Monk. Today I have successfully completed level 1 and submitted all my assignments as well as completed my test. The journey of level 1 was entirely different from the earlier one because in this level the emphasis was more towards practical aspects than on theoretical aspect. During this level 1, I have learned so many new things like more than 10 chords, positions, shifting and switching from one chords to another chords. Especially, I would like to say that submission of assignments along with track was really a very unique and a difficult kind of assignment was that. It took a number of times to correct yourself. So despite that, we successfully submitted all that assignments because of the uniqueness of the methodology adopted by Guitar Monk. Apart from that tunes, rhythms were also good. And one more thing, the uniqueness of this course was that you cannot skip any level or any chapter and move towards another chapter until and unless you could not finish it. So it was really unique concept. So I would like to thank and congratulate Guitar Monks. Thank you, Guitar Monk.